Hello everyone, this is Tony and welcome back to Tony's Homestead. Today is Wednesday, I want to say June the 14th, and this is down here where I tilled up that new place to add the garden. It's 40 foot by 160 foot. And as you can tell, it's cloudy today. It rained a little bit this morning and we're supposed to get some more this afternoon. But I wanted to bring y'all down here and show you how the garden was looking today. Let's back up. And on that fence there, I've got my kiwi plants. And then let's back on up and you can see my okra. Okay, that's my okra. It's coming along pretty good. I need to get down here and do some weeding. Grass is coming on back up, so I need to get it knocked down before it gets too big. And then on this fence is where I've got my cucumbers. I think you can see them down through there. Let me zoom in. Yeah, there you can see them. There's two fence rows of them, 100 foot long. One of them is straight 8 and the other one is Boston pickling. Got one row of each. And then I've got my lima beans here. And they're doing a lot better since we've got some rain. And we'll go over here and look at the other stuff of the garden. That row there of fence, I had tomatoes planted all down it, but I think there's only 4 tomato plants left because of the time we went without rain, about a month. And then right in here we've got sugar baby watermelons. And then this spot at the end of the grapes, I still have no idea what I planted there, but it's coming up. I ain't got out and walked yet to see what it is. And then on the other end of this row here, the cantaloupes are coming up. There's none coming up on this end yet. If they'll come up, I don't know. And then we've got 4 rows of lima beans, 125 foot long. And then we've got 3 125 foot rows of lima beans. And then we've got 2 rows in that area there, and I'm thinking that's cantaloupes. And then this area over here is all watermelons, and I need to get out here and do some weeding in it. Certain places the grass is taking over a lot, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like 6 rows there. And then there's 2 rows of, I'm sorry about that. So there's 6 rows of Charleston gray watermelons, 2 rows of cantaloupes, 2 more rows of cantaloupes, and then the beans start over there. And then that's my blueberry plants down at the end down there. And then I've also got 1, 2, 3 mulberry trees over there. And this is my little backyard garden I've got set up in the kiddie pools. My jalapenos are already starting to put on peppers. Got one pretty good size one there. Well, got another pretty good size one in there. And then this over here, I've got bell and jalapeno peppers in it. Back up and get that one's bell and jalapenos. That bed is just jalapenos. And then that other bed over here is hot banana. I think hot banana and bells. And then I got my peppermint, spearmint, another jalapeno, and a bigger jalapeno. I don't know why it's doing so much better than the other two, because I'm treating all of them the same. That's a jalapeno. It and the one on the other side are doing about the same, which is not good. But the one in the middle is got a good color and growing a lot better, and already got jalapenos on it. There's what's left of a leaf lettuce. I'm just leaving it there. If it'll go to seed, I'll get the seed off of it. There's a couple of carrots that came up. I'm just letting them go. I had another carrot, a purple carrot. I can't think of the name of it right off, but I pulled it and give it to my son for put in his supper last night. And that tomato's got a little tomato on it. Then my rosemary, and then another tomato. That one's Rutgers, and the first one was a Bonnie's Best. And then my muscadine vine. I had about decided none of my cayenne peppers were going to come up, but I've noticed a few of them have got some things where they're starting to come up. I think I saw 3 of them. Okay, there's one. There's one. That's 2. Oh, okay, and here's the third one over here. And there's the third one. So maybe all of them will eventually come on up. And then over here, all these are my Roma tomatoes. There's 10 of them. I've got 5 in one kind of soil and 5 in the other, to see which does the best. And then I've got a marigold plant. There's a tomato hornworm out here somewhere, because he's done stripped that tomato plant. So I'm gonna have to get out here early in the morning and see if I can locate him and get rid of him. But these tomatoes on this side seem to be doing a lot better than the ones on the other side. They were planted at the same time. They're getting treated exactly the same, just the soil type is different. I've got one bloom on the far side over there, and then these over here, there's a couple of blooms there, a bloom there, fixing to be 5 blooms on that one plant. So, but that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bells and select all to get all notifications when I upload videos. click on the like, the thumbs up button, and share this with any of your friends or anything you think would be interested. Again, thank you for watching, and may you all have a blessed day. Shalom.